So you currently had breast implants. What was your reason in wanting to search for revision?
Well, I chose to have the revision done. Actually, what I call reconstructive, because I could not get them to come together. Even wearing the tightest of bras and stuff like that, I could never pull them together enough to show the cleavage that I normally should have been able to have shown. So I went and spoke with many other doctors, and they were all telling me that it was just because of how I had developed, and there was not much they could do without, pretty expensive surgery. So I left it alone, even as dissatisfied as what I was for a few years. And then I heard about Dr. Pusty. I said, and a couple of friends told me about him, and I said, well, all right, let me go try. And I came to him expecting to hear the same thing that I'd heard from the other doctors, but then guess what? Of course, that wasn't what I heard at all. In fact, he recognized right away what my problem was and told me that he could correct it, and that, and that I could also possibly have larger breasts at the same time in interim while he was performing the surgery. Although he did not make me any promises, he stated that it would definitely make me look better. So I took him up on his offer, and voila, I've never been happier. Because when I woke up, I was just amazed at how big they were, and the fact that even while the bandages were still on, it was obvious that I had cleavage. So I was very happy with that.
So you had a lot of experiences with other plastic surgeons looking for consultations.
Yes.
What made Dr. Pusty different? Why did you choose to go with him?
One was the fact that he immediately recognized the problem that I was experiencing. And two, he was very personable and very understanding. And I could tell right away that he was the person that was going to be able to care about me as much as what I did myself. Plus his amazing team and staff that he has here working at his office, who have been more than diligent as far as making sure that I was okay. Even prior to my surgery, they called me several times, and after the surgery, they called me almost daily, along with Dr. Pusty, to make sure that I was okay and addressed any concerns or problems that I might have been experiencing. So I can't say enough about how happy I am with the conclusion of what I received here at Dr. Pusty's office, and I would seriously recommend anyone to come and have any of the services that Dr. Pusty's office and his team, amazing team, offers here.
How has your experience been coming back into the office for your follow-up visits?
Oh, my follow-up visits are amazing because I'm kind of like family to them, and they made me feel that way. And I know everyone here, and it's just been an amazing experience, and no one, I don't think, could ever more appreciate them than I do.
If you could give any piece of advice to someone looking to have breast surgery performed, what would you tell them?
I would tell them immediately and without hesitation to first check out Dr. Pusty, because one, he's very personable. Two, he cares as much about his patients as what the patients do themselves. And thirdly, he has a remarkable team and staff here that work for him, and they make you every bit as comfortable in the office as what they do when you're at home.